In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change team colors in Phighting. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can freely swap the team colors, so in order to do this, you will have to go into the settings of the game. It looks like I am only able to access these settings if I am in the lobby here before joining a match, but you might be able to access them during a match if you would like to try. So what you have to do is press tab. So like I said, while you are in the lobby, or in a match, press tab. See if the settings option appears. So when you press tab or you click on this icon here at the top left, you will see settings. Now you have plenty of options like the brightness of the game, saturation, contrast, and so on, but the one that we are looking for is going to be here, Team 1 color and Team 2 color. So you can set up specific values on these fields, and it is going to change the color of the teams like this. If you don't know the colors or the codes that you must use to make a specific color, then I recommend using Google. And as long as you change these values here between 0 and 255, everything will be changed accordingly. So as you can see, if I set everything to 0, it's going to give me black. If I set everything to 255, it will give me white. And then by changing these values one by one, I'm able to get specific colors. So this first one refers to red. So if this one is 255 and everything else is 0, it gives me red. If I set the second one to 255, it gives me green. And the last one is going to be referring to blue. So by mixing these colors, for example, blue plus red, I'm able to make pink. If I mix red plus green, I'm able to make yellow, blue and yellow, and so on. And you can get different colors by changing these values. So experiment with random values until you get something that you like, or look on the combinations for these codes on Google. And before I end this video, I hope I was able to help you. As you can see, according to the watch time from subscribers on the channel metrics, 83% of people who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us achieve the highest quality videos and solutions to your problems. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.